Throw away those throwback posts because Bolly B is here to keep things oh so fresh. Whether you want in on Dia Mirza's modern wedding or the Akshay Kumar versus Shahid Kapoor clash or just some juicy couple link-up rumors, we've got it all for you on Thursday's edition of Bolly Buzz. First up, we have Dia Mirza showing us the way to live the modern day fairy tale. Take out those pens and start taking notes because we don't see such things happen too often. Dia was lauded for having a priestess, Sheila Atta, perform her wedding ceremony. We got word that she also went through several hours of training to imbibe the essence of the scriptures so that she could assist Sheila Atta and translate the shlokas. And it doesn't end there. Apart from having a priestess conduct the rituals, the couple also did away with 2 wedding rituals. Dia told our bees, we said no to Kanyadan and Bidai because change begins with choice, doesn't it? Preet sister, we're all ears. To read up all about this wedding, head on over to E-Times. Talking about love, rumors ran wild about Alaya F's relationship with Aishwarya Thakre. One look at their photos together and you are bound to think that something's cooking, but not according to this beauty. Letting us in on a little secret, Alaya gave us the cliched reply that Aishwarya is a very good friend. But she went on to explain, our moms know each other, my granddad knows his mom, we have known each other for a very long time. It's just now that the media notices a photo of us together and assumes that something is going on. We set out trying to find a romance but found something better, a friendship. Speaking of friendships, we think they are better left off screen because war has been declared over the box office. Akshay Kumar became the latest star to pick a box office clash when he announced that his historical film Prithvi Raj will hit theatres on Diwali 2021, the same date as Shahid Kapoor's South remake Jersey. You think the box office battles would lead to a tense situation off screen, but not for Sasha. He had everything laughing out loud when he joined the Pauri Ho Rahi Hai trend and shared the funny video on his handle.
ये मेरा स्टार्स है, ये हम है, यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है। होटल खुलन दो, सब कुछ खुलन दो।
Watering down another tense matter was the Bombay High Court. Yes, with the number of legal battles lined up in B-Town, expect some real-life courtroom drama. This one had the court questioning a social worker who challenged a film allegedly being made on the life of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. How do you know what they are going to do? Asked Justice Prithvi Raj Chavan, who was told that the film maligns the reputation of Rajput and is based on distorted facts. The court heard an appeal by Manish Mishra against the December 22, 2020 dismissal of his interim plea for an injunction in respect of the film Nyay the Justice. Don't let us distort facts about this story, so head on over to E-Times to read all about it. With movies on everyone's mind, we got word that veteran actress Jaya Bachchan is making a comeback to acting and will do so with a debut in Marathi cinema. Speaking to director Gajendra Ahire, he said, we are at a very initial stage. I am surprised that the news came out. Yes, Jaya ji was on my mind and so I did approach her. However, I am waiting for her reward, which I should get within a week. That's all for today, folks. See you all on Friday. Bye-bye.